All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. The folks over at VRS sent over cases for the Z Flip 7, and we are going to try them on. So let's get each one of these open here. This is the TerraGuard Modern Halo. We know what that looks like. The Modern Go in Coral, and then you got the Modern Go in Black. So let's pop all these open here, and we'll try them on. Now, if you don't know, VRS is a company that does like rugged style cases. So be prepared for that. I've been messing with VRS for years. They just have some decent cases. Oh, I'm glad they sent blue. This is pretty nice. Remove this for your MagSafe tech. All that MagSafe goodness. And you got a hinge protection here, which I think is really nice. You know, companies are including that now. And these are going to come with tempered glasses, just so you know. So you won't need a tempered glass. These are all-in-ones. But if you have a tempered glass on your phone already, like me, it could be an issue. You'll have to remove it. And my phone definitely has a tempered glass on it, but it plays fairly well. I think these look better. These look better than the ones for the Fold 7. You know, like, because it's a folding phone. So the Fold 7, like with the two-tone right here, it's not, it looks better like this. This has grip on here. I just didn't peel that off because it's going to display it, but it has grip on here. This is pretty nice. I'll probably go ahead and remove my tempered glass and wear this blue one here. This is actually really sweet. You've got some VRS branding right there. And again, it's MagSafe. Super strong. Remember now, VRS is a company that specializes in like rugged style cases. So keep that in mind. All right. Wifey has the Coral Flip 7, so I'll slide this one her way. This is their version of Coral. And this is one that looks like, does it have cards? Yeah, you can put a card in there. That's why it has this slot right here. I'm not really feeling that too much, but it's what it is. It's going to have a black front on it. Yeah, all of these have a black front, and then they are tempered glass installed. So this is what it looks like. And this last one here is the same thing. It's just in black. I'll just show you the back of this one here. There you go. So VRS, I just like this one. I'm not really a fan of the thing like this with the card in the back here, because you'll slide like this to get the card out. It's nice. Yeah, it's decent. These are nice cases. These do look better than the Fold series, the Fold 7 series. These look much better. But I just want to showcase the cases here. I'll probably go ahead and use this one because I don't want to use the one with the cards in it. And now I've got full protection, a strong hinge there, man. So I'll remove my tempered glass on the front and pretty much rock out with this one, I think. What do you think? Fingerprint reader is good. Yeah. Everything looks good on here. Anyway, it's your man Jay, VRS in the house. And I'll see you in the next video. Link to purchase down below.